What if the noise around you is slowly damaging your brain? Most people never notice. Loud noise doesn't just affect your ears, it sends stress signals straight to your brain. Your brain reacts by releasing stress hormones, increasing heart rate and tension. Constant noise overload forces your brain to work harder, draining focus and mental energy. Over time, this can lead to anxiety, sleep problems, and reduced brain performance. Silence isn't empty, it's essential. Your brain needs quiet to recover.